Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Irabana and I'd like you to subscribe to my channel because you don't want to be missing out on the stuff on my channel, okay? Also, if you're already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot for tuning into this video. Today, I just want to show you some tricks you can do with a scarf. So it's not really anything deep, it's just how to make different tube tops with a scarf. So if you don't have a tube top and you want a tube top, you can get a scarf right now, and let's get into this video together. So first of all, you're just going to need a scarf and strapless. So you put this on, you get your scarf. And my scarf isn't so big, so if you don't have a big scarf, this is what you have to do. Don't make the ends touch each other. Let it be this way. Then the first tube top you can make is to pull it around you like this. Just like this. Put the side up. Put this under the bra. Put the side up. Up the side under the bra. Then tie the top. Or you open it this way and push it under the bra. And just tuck this side in here. Then with this side, you just fold it in. Fold it in or tuck it under the bra. It all depends on you, and you're good to go. Like, this is a very cute bundle top and you're good to go. Like, look, this is a very cute top to make with a scarf. After putting your bra on, you get your scarf again. Make sure it's looking this way. If you have a small scarf, this is how it should look. The ends of the triangle shouldn't touch each other. So this is how it should be. Then you do this. And you make a knot behind you. So when you get to looking this way, you just have to tuck these things. This thing coming out here, just tuck it under the bra, then behind the bra. And if you wear it this way, you can decide to tuck it into your skirt or into your shorts or whatever. This way it looks like a bodysuit. You get your necklace, your cute necklace, and this way it looks like a tube top, but then also a bodysuit, like, because the back will be looking like this. This is how the back will be looking. So everybody's going to be thinking it's a bodysuit. So this way, you're good to go. Or you can just fold it in here under your bra. Just tuck it under your bra. And with this one, you can make the length however you want it to be. So you can make it long, leave it this way. This is cute. You're good to go. Or you can tuck it some more. So if you tuck it some more, then This is cute. Like, this is the cutest thing. This is the cutest thing you're gonna see. Like, nobody is gonna put you on like me. You can go to the beach walking around looking like me. Yeah, so this is the cutest thing. I hope you guys were able to learn something from this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. Share with your lovelies. Don't forget to share with your badass friends, okay? Send this to the bad bitches who don't have tube tops, or who want more tube tops, or want to make tube tops themselves. And this is cute. When you come back home, you just have to take this on and put it on your head and go to sleep. Guys, don't forget to like this and share. See you next time.